Hey, hey! I was challenged by Journey via Lily's Lens to do the 40 question get to know me challenge. So we're going to try to go through this as quick as possible. 1, do you like blue cheese? I don't think so. Blue cheese dressing, yes, but blue cheese by itself, I don't know about that. 2, Coke or Pepsi? I've always been a Pepsi fan, but I find myself drinking Coke more because it doesn't give me heartburn as bad. In a relationship? Yeah, I would be married to, what's his name? Whiskey, tequila, or vodka? Sure. Number 5, hot dog or cheeseburger? Either or. Number 6, my favorite food? Ooh, that's a tough one. I don't know. I don't know if I have a favorite food. I mean, I love chocolate, so maybe that's my favorite food. Number 7, what do you drink in the morning? Coffee. Gotta have coffee. Number 8, can you do 100 push-ups? Yeah, right. Okay, people. Number 9, my favorite season. I used to be summer, but as I'm getting a little bit older, I tend to prefer fall. I like the cooler. Don't like cold, though. Number 10, my favorite hobby. Definitely, probably like just photography, videography. I may not be great at it, but I love doing it. Number 11, tattoos. Yeah, I got a few. 9, 10. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Do you wear glasses? Nope, I do not wear glasses. Phobias. I don't like spiders, but I don't think I'm scared to death of them. I think my biggest phobia would be being trapped. I don't like the idea of that. Nicknames, Felix. Everybody kind of knows that, I think, now. Favorite candy? Yes. The only thing I really don't like is licorice. Black licorice. Do you believe in ghosts? I'm not sure yet. Biggest downfall? Ooh, I'm very blunt, and some people don't care for that. Rain or snow? Definitely rain. I like snow. It's pretty, but I don't like that it sticks around. Piercings? Yes, I have 3 in each ear. That's it, though. Age? I will forever be 26. French fries or onion rings? Depends. I like thin French fries, like McDonald's French fries, you know, like that. I don't like really thick ones. Onion rings, I like pretty much all of them, if they're done right. Kids? Yep, have a couple of those. Favorite color? Ooh, I have a couple. I really love purple. I love orange, pink. Guess that's more than a couple. Can you sing? I think everybody can sing. Whether or not we do it well, that's another story. Can you whistle? Sort of. Where were you born? In a hospital. Siblings? Yeah, I got a couple of those too. Can you cook? I do cook. I love to cook. Jesse says I cook well. He's kind of chubby, so I guess he likes what I cook. Can you swim? Couldn't swim up until last summer, and I can only swim about maybe 20 feet, so yes and no. Are you religious? I wouldn't say I'm religious, but I definitely believe in God. I believe in prayer. A shower or bath? Prefer shower most of the time, but it is nice to take a bath every once in a while. Just soak. Big city or out in nature? Definitely out in nature, but big city if I need to go shopping. Are you a good friend? I think I am when people actually give me the chance to be one. Broken bones? Have never had one. How many TVs do you own? 2 in the house, 1 in the camper. Worst pain ever? I think the worst pain ever is losing someone you really care about. Do you like to dance? I do, but no one likes to watch it. Do you like camping? Well, of course, we are happy place camping after all. Are you weird? Isn't everyone in some way or another? Tag 6 friends. I want to tag Daydream About Nice Things, Mel Nettie, Living Free Zip Codeless, Jerry Holly, Posh Cats Camping, Hitch Up and Tow, and Meemaws Matters. They are challenged to do this 40 question get to know me challenge. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.